Hey, welcome everyone. You might know that Sundays on my channel is Wildcard Day, where it's usually any topic of interest. Often it is trivia. Did you know that the speed of light is approximately 1,080,000 kilometers per hour? That means almost 300,000 kilometers per second. What that means is light from the sun to the earth takes just over 8 minutes. That means if you look at the sun and do not stare at the sun, that's very dangerous. But if you happen to see the sun, what you saw was the sun approximately 8 minutes ago. And to our nearest star, other than the sun, at that speed, it takes just over 4 years. And thank you for watching. If you blinked, you may have missed me. I was going nearly 300,000 kilometers per second.